SoilWicks is a geotechnical contractor specialising in the supply and installation of prefabricated vertical drains to accelerate subsoil settlement and compaction. Established in 1999 with 1 rig and 2 crew, SoilWicks has rapidly expanded to become Australia's largest, most respected and best equipped vertical drain contractor. The consolidation of soft, compressible soil can take up to 20 years before the ground has stabilised sufficiently for the construction process to commence. This delay can cost millions of dollars in lost revenue. Prefabricated drains, more commonly known as wick drains, have been specifically designed to accelerate the consolidation of compressible clays. This method offers the industry's most cost-effective and efficient means of achieving subsoil compaction, enabling major infrastructure and construction projects to commence years ahead of the timelines achieved by traditional preloading.
You could pretty much say where the sea used to be, you might have 30 metres of marine mud and you want to build something over it, you've got to consolidate the material. You don't dig it out, it's way too expensive and way too difficult. You do it with a combination of wick drains and preload. And when I say preload, that is the material you put on top of the wick drains and acts as weight, push the material down, then it's good enough to build over.
Over the past decade, the SoilWicks fleet has continued to grow and now includes 7 installation machines, a CFA auger, telehandlers, trucks, 4-wheel drive service vehicles. Our largest installation machine is capable of reaching a depth of 45 metres. All of our installation machines can be adjusted to meet the contractor's requirements. All SoilWicks rigs feature state-of-the-art technology, including GPS systems, pressure and depth monitors, and data recording systems. With up to thousands of wick drains being installed in one day, this technology, along with our comprehensive reporting systems, allow the principal contractor to verify that the installations are in accord with design specifications. SoilWicks Project Manager and Chief Engineer Andrew Davies explains.
All our rigs are fitted with an automated data recorder which records details of each wick drain installed. Each wick drain is installed to a target depth and a target pressure, with the successful installation being achieved when the final installed wick drain is installed over that pressure and over that depth.
All of SoilWicks' custom-designed installation rigs feature a vertical mast that houses the cable-driven mandrel. Our wick drain of choice is the prefabricated vertical drain consisting of a polypropylene core wrapped in a non-woven filter, manufactured by Citao and supplied by Australian-based Global Synthetics. After being placed on the fiberglass-backed roller, the wick drain material is attached to the fabric that has already been threaded through the mandrel. The ground crew then attaches an anchor plate to the wick and it is hydraulically pushed into the ground at the correct predetermined location and at the correct pressure and verticality. Once the rig operator's in-cabin technology has verified the installation parameters have been met, the mandrel is withdrawn back into the mast, leaving the plate anchored in place. The ground operator then cuts the wick off above the surface and attaches another anchor plate, allowing the rig to move to the next installation point. This process continues throughout the site. Our highly trained and experienced crews can, in the right ground conditions, install up to 1,000 wicks per shift, per rig. With proven successful relationships with internationally renowned corporations and a proven track record working on major construction projects Australia-wide, SoilWicks has firmly established itself the supplier of choice for local and international engineering and civil construction corporations.